Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get started. Alright, what do we have here today? We got the Xbox Controller Elite Series 2. This is what we're unboxing. Before we do that, I have two Xbox Series controller. I want you guys to put in the comments below if you guys want me to give one of these away. Obviously I'm gonna keep one for myself. If you guys want me to give this one away, put in the comments below yes or no. If I see a lot of yes, then the way to get this controller is to subscribe to the channel and go on my Instagram, Onetechtree, add me, and we will choose a person to give this away. Let's get into some specs. Alright, so Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. The all-new Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 over 30 new ways to play like a pro, including adjustable tension thumbsticks. What? New interchangeable components, up to 40 hours of rechargeable battery life, and limitless customization with the Xbox One and Windows 10 based. If you play Xbox or Halo, I'm gonna put my gamer tag right over here. If you play Halo 5 or any Halo Anniversary 2, 3, whatever, add me and we'll see each other on Xbox Live. Infinite's coming out. Get ready. So if you're a gamer and you're hitting those thumb muscles, index muscles, that's about it. Thumb and index muscle. With this controller, you're actually hitting your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky. So you're gonna beef up these three fingers. If you're a gamer, you're usually beefing up your thumb and your index finger. You know what I'm talking about. You're beefing up, but you're gonna be beefing up these three fingers with the Elite. This is designed to meet the needs of today's competitive gamers. The all-new Xbox Elite Wireless Controller 2 features over 30 new ways to play like a pro. Enhance your aiming with new adjustable tension thumbsticks. Fire even faster with shorter hair trigger lock, and stay on trigger with a wrap around rubberized grip. Rubberized grip. Can't say that word. Rubberized. Optimize this for yourself. Tailor the controller to your preferred gaming style with new interchangeable thumbsticks and pedal shapes. Save up to 3 custom profiles and 1 default profile on the controller and switch between them with the profile button. Use Xbox Wireless Bluetooth or including USB-C cable to play across your Xbox One and Windows 10 device. More ways to customize experience. Limitless customization. With the Xbox Accessory app, utilize exclusive configuration option including dead zone adjustment and button mapping to voice commands such as record that or take a screenshot. Now that's beast. Design for extended gameplay. Stay in the game for longer with up to 40 hours of rechargeable battery life and refined components that are built to last. Damn. 40 hours of rechargeable battery, that's beast. You can finish Halo 1 non-stop just taking bathroom breaks with this controller. That's beast. Charge the controller either inside or outside of the carrying case. That's pretty nice. With the included USB-C cable and charging dock. That's what I'm talking about. See, Microsoft is thinking about things that we need as a gamer. You need things like this. You can use this on Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One X, Xbox One S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Androids, and iOS. Are you a pro? Then you have to use this. Halo Infinite coming out. I'm gonna put my gamer tag right here again. If you guys want to beef with me, add me on Xbox Live. So Elite Wireless Controller Series 2, interchangeable D-pads. Comes with 2 of them. 6 different interchangeable thumbsticks. You have pedals, 2 sets of them, which goes on the bottom right here. You have a carrying case. You have a charging dock that can also be inside of the carrying case. Thumbstick adjustable tool. USB-C cable. That's what comes inside of the box. So open this up. Bam! Woof! Man, I'm excited for this because guess what? Xbox Series X is coming soon. And I'm going to be using this. You already know that. Ooh, man. Come on now. Dang. nothing in this area. Let's put this on the side. And here we go. Wow. This is it, guys. What's inside of the box? Let's put this to the side here. Okay. Nothing in here. And actually inside of this you have the book. Oh man, look at this. Ultimate Xbox Game Pass. Just free Xbox Game Pass comes with it. Quick guides. USB-C to USB. Let me check how long the USB-C wire is. But it looks like a really nice quality wire. I mean, look at this. Pretty damn long. To the side. This in the back. Oh, look at this. You have a USB-C area here, so you can connect your USB-C charger while it's sitting inside of the case. And you can also close this up. Looks like pretty nice, waterproof. You can see that. Let's open this up. What we have in here, man, look at this. You got a little pocket right here. Put your stuff in there. Ooh, wow, look at this controller. Man, this is something else. Look at this. This is beautiful. You have your headphone jack area. You have the Xboxeliteseries USB-C. That's freaking beast. USB-C right there. Triggers are beast. You have pads down here. Okay, what's inside of this? Ooh, look at this. Let's take this off. So this is your charging dock. That's nice. It's magnetic. Goes right in there. You have thumbsticks in here. So you got this one, which you can interchange. So you can take this one out, put this one on there. It's pretty beast. And these are a little bit bigger. You can take this out and you can switch it with actually the D-pad. You can switch it with the original one that comes with the Xbox controllers. Is a little bit longer than what you have. So this right here is the thumbstick adjustable tool. Things that I need to mention that are way different than the Series 1. I haven't made a video of the Series 1 controller, but it's I should say it's different but similar in many ways. You get the same triggers and D-pads and all that good stuff that comes in here. But you do get two of the tall ones in the Series 1, but you only get one tall one, the thumbstick, on the Series 2. The coloring is matte black, then the silver coloring in the Series 1, and also the triggers have a grip on it, so you can see this grip right here. Pretty nice. I mean, if you're playing fast, intense game and you don't want to miss the trigger. It has an internal battery in it. The Series 1 does not have an internal battery. You have a USB-C instead of micro USB. The other thing that is unique from the Series 1 is you can actually set your trigger settings, which is you can have it firm. If you press it down, it'll be a little bit firm, and then if you want to go back to a normal Xbox controller setting, this is all loose. So you can change that through this little tool that comes with it. That's about it. I can't wait to use this controller on the Xbox Series X. If you guys want to buy this, okay, the first place to get it is on Amazon, which is $179.99. You can also buy this Microsoft.com. This is $179.99, and there's a cheaper place where you can buy this, which is in Costco. I purchased mine for $159.99 plus tax. It came out to be $174. So they have them sometimes they don't have them. Order it on Costco. It's the cheapest on Costco. If you guys have a Costco membership, order it on Costco. Comment below, like and subscribe this video. Peace.